out here riding and stuff, man. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna upload this video. I had a car show today, man, so I had to get y'all that footage. I know how this go. Y'all see people out here hanging out, man. Hanging out today, bro. So be safe out there, y'all, and let me upload this video. Let me show y'all what we working with today.
Really lost my mind when I had to lay granny to rest. Cause so many people off, I changed up on them for the best. I was down bad, them niggas left me in the cold. I did what I had to do and then got it on my own. Made a vow to stay solid, but then you changed on me. What happened to staying down and sticking to the code? Got so much shit on my chest. I put a perky to cold my demons and that's why they kicking my ass. I heard the news about my granny, I went in the room and I cried to myself. Body cold in that casket, something I can't digest. Tryna rise up above poverty in a trap, yeah. But I jump in the dicky for Uncle Ant, yeah. My cook by the book, call me Project Pack. In my hood they don't keep faith, they keep a strap. I was struggling when they changed on me. We went down, they put the blame on me. Don't treat me like a student, I ain't new to this. I bet I brought past me the rock, watch what I do with it. All this pain, all this anger, death only brought me demons and angels. All this pain, all this anger, death brought me more demons than angels. Been through so much shit, got so much shit on my chest. Had to make a sacrifice, God was put me to the test. I really lost my mind when I had to lay granny to rest. Cause so many people off, I changed up on them for the best. I was down bad, them niggas left me in the cold. I did what I had to do and then got it on my own. Made a vow to stay solid, but then you changed on me. What happened to staying down and sticking to the code? What happened to keeping the G? What happened to loyalty and everything? That shit really meaning to me. What happened to never switching on the game? Switch on the family. You out here tryna throw dirt on my name. You really a fan of me? Ha! You my son, little nigga. I taught you everything you know. You get drunk off the liquor and go to talking like a hoe. You can act like you bought it to them, but we know what you own. Used to be my little brother, so no, this ain't no diss on. Yeah, this the truth. I gotta tell it, cause it ain't gon' come from you. And since it's fuck him, nigga, it's fuck you. Fuck me, nigga, yeah, that's cute, huh? Now talk about it on your TL like a dum-dum. If we want you dead, we know you at and where you come from. Never been a pussy, always been a bum. You won't smoke, then what good? Been through so much shit, got so much shit on my chest. Had to make a sacrifice, God was put me to the test. I really lost my mind when I had to lay granny to rest. Cause so many people off, I changed up on them for the best. I was down bad, them niggas left me in the cold. I did what I had to do and then got it on my own. Made a vow to stay solid, but then you changed on me. What happened to staying down and sticking to the code?
My dog in that crib with no lie. Still slanging 9 couple dogs disappear. I been on go, ain't no pausing over here. This shit been on my mind. Still slanging 9 couple dogs disappear. This shit been on my mind. They found my dog in that grave with no lie. Yeah, it's been up from here. Still slanging 9 couple dogs disappear. I been on go, ain't no pausing over here. Niggas say they really for you, but be gone when you need help. I done got my bad right when everybody left me here. Still fighting demons while I'm grieving. Pop another perk, it got me sinking. Mama, I been thugging this shit for a reason. They done hit my dog up, my emotion leaking. What if I told you that my heart been breaking? Stitches over staples I've been due for maintenance. Back and forth pasting, my mind steady racing. I done lost trust cause these niggas tryna play me. What would you do if you feel like they snaking? Cut a cup out, but now I'm switching up location. Thugging on my own, ooh. I done had some blessings, but most niggas told me no. I can't lie, I've been so sick and tired of these hoes. I've been left alone on this road. I've been preaching strong on these songs. Why the fuck a nigga tryna take my throne? Tryna put you on, but niggas snaking all alone. What the fuck do I go wrong? I've been on the block pushing peace too long. Mama, I got up, so I gotta watch the road. Don't put trust in no thoughts, they'll set you up for show. I've been sick and tired, low key. I've been grinding hard with no sleep. Why these niggas hating on me? This shit been on my mind. They found my dog in that grave with no lie. Yeah, it's been up from here. Still slanging 9 couple dogs disappear. I been on go, ain't no pausing over here. Niggas say they really for you, but be gone when you need help. I done got my bad right when everybody left me here.
Still fighting demons while I'm grieving. Pop another perk, it got me sinking. Lately I've been 10 toes down, I'm all in. Praying to hope the God forgive me for all my sins. I've been sick and tired of these niggas throwing me in. I've been slinging 9, but I'm tired of trying to get rich. Mama, I've been 10 toes deep. Don't fuck with no eyes, they been pussy low key. These niggas talking down on me. I ain't worried about a bitch harming me. Slide around town with them sticks round me. I don't fuck with no lanes, I got a CID. I'm on the block with that yappa, I'm tryna close range you please. Mama, why I gotta be nice when they ain't doing me wrong? I've been sick and tired of playing nice with these dudes. I've been clutching fire, but I'm tryna hold my cool. Pray to hold to God, I won't hit your block with lil' dude. Mama, I swear to God, I'm sparing them cause of you. This shit been on my mind. They found my dog in that grave with no lie. Yeah, it's been up from here. Still slanging 9, couple dogs disappear. I been on go, ain't no pausing over here. Niggas say they really for you, but be gone when you need help. I done got my bad right when everybody left me here. Still fighting demons while I'm grieving. Pop another perk, it got me sinking.
Pop another perk, it got me sinking. Wanna go to sleep, but this shit deep. Wanna go to sleep, but that shit deep in.
Yeah. Hey, hello. Man, what these niggas talking about? Really ain't chillin', man. What these niggas from? Fuck these niggas talking about? The KNG shit. We gon' bang back on these niggas, we finna spin back and flame that shit. Man, fuck what these niggas talking about. Man, fuck all that peace treaty shit. These niggas ass shit smoke up. Hey, hello. Stop. Yeah. Hot boy, I can't cool off. I'm the fireman, I'm spraying with them 223s. Me and blood back to back, that shit like Jeepers Creepers. We ain't worrying about the ops, they know what it be. Hot boy, I can't cool off. I'm the fireman, I'm spraying with them 223s. Me and blood back to back, that shit like Jeepers Creepers. We ain't worrying about the ops, they know what it be. They know what it be. They know KM, the gang, and everybody G. They know we having them sticks like this shit, the Marines. Spent the bag on them guns, we don't sell a thing. And if I do it shit, the gang, keep it on the team. If I'm stepping out the crib, heater in my jeans. I can't let these niggas catch me slipping in these streets. Big shot of done data, they know how I'm bleeding. Got the baby 380 on me, I'm never leaving. In the club, how I'm vibing like security. You know Mac, little pilot, you know I'm with him. Everybody try to 10, they know what it be. Leave a nigga blend, leave a nigga stink. Leave a nigga leaning like he on that paint train. Fuck a nigga think, fuck a nigga thought. I don't give a fuck, you know this 40 quit the spot. Yeah. Hot boy, I can't cool off. I'm the fireman, I'm spraying with them 223s. Me and blood back to back, that shit like Jeepers Creepers. We ain't worrying about the ops, they know what it be. Hot boy, I can't cool off. I'm the fireman, I'm spraying with them 223s. Me and blood back to back, that shit like Jeepers Creepers. We ain't worrying about the ops, they know what it be.
I'm a hot boy, I won't cool off. Just caught the beamer and I'm finna chop the roof off. The ops been talking crazy, I ain't really with that hoorah. I got that 40 on me, I'ma let my fucking tool talk. Walk how I walk, get it how I live it with a big bumper clock. Bang roll in my pocket, counting knot after knot. Put a bag on your head, shooter call me when you got. You know how I rock. Never been a sucker, never been a puta. I'm switching locations, but we got a new drop. We gon' spin your new block, let off 32 shots. Hit them up like Tupac, now they screaming who shot. Bitch, I feel like Big Papa. Big stepper, show starter, show stopper, little nigga with a big fucking chopper.
Hot boy, I can't cool off. I'm the fireman, I'm spraying with them 223s. Me and blood back to back, that shit like Jeepers Creepers. We ain't worrying about the ops, they know what it be. Hot boy, I can't cool off. I'm the fireman, I'm spraying with them 223s. Me and blood back to back, that shit like Jeepers Creepers. We ain't worrying about the ops, they know what it be.
At the park, yeah, hopping out the double R, yeah, at the park, yeah, you know I had the other charge, charge. Yeah, straight cash on me right now. I can swipe, got a couple cards. Got the gang with me right now. Just in case you tough guys tryna act hard. If you got a problem, straighten it, homie. If you gon' think you're flexing on me, I got you checking the savings on me. And you gon' quit the debating on me. Can't make them believe the fake is on me. Put the rolling down and cop me an AP. We gon' get the money, you know it's the routine. Got the same started fire, can't roll with a new team. At the par, yeah. Hopping out the double R, yeah. At the par, yeah. You know I had to up the charge, yeah. Straight cash on me right now. I can swipe, got a couple cards. Got the gang with me right now. Just in case you tough guys tryna act hard. At the par, especially when I'm rolling out the Adderall. Hit the dash for speeding on the boulevard. Nigga claiming that he G, I'ma pull his car. We call this bluff what we see, he ain't going hard. Listen what I told you, I'm a young soldier. Ride road with a freak with a Drake on me. Polydine in the gym, keep the cake on me. 60K all on my wrist, at the par with the shit, and they know we gon' go up. I might sit back, sit the head, watch yourself on my dick, watch the bump for us throw up. I'm the type to let the bullshit pass me. Try to tell you something, bump 'em up like acne. How the fuck nigga running looking like a track meet? He a street nigga, turn into a damn athlete. Fuck nigga lost life tryna go hard. You a better off playing smart. Now you got first class ticket up the guard. Now they really should've told you about that boy money raw. I'ma go and play cool, catch your ass off guard. That money power respect, put your ass like a lake. When I'm done, take my bitch to Root Creek, get a state. Niggas living in the skies and they lives really fake. I can see it in their eyes, they despise and they hate. Baby, do it for me right now. Yeah, I like it up the par. 100 round drum in the car. Make a move for him right now. Turn into a superstar. Flashing camera lights on him. Doing 120 in the Benz. Don't give a fuck about friends. Counting the ends. Looking through the Cartier lens. Win. I ain't gon' stop till the very, very end. At the par, yeah. Hopping out the double R, yeah. At the par, yeah. You know I had to up the charge, yeah. Straight cash on me right now. I can swipe, got a couple cards. Got the gang with me right now. Just in case you tough guys tryna act hard. If you got a problem, straighten it, homie. If you gon' think you're flexing on me, I got you checking the savings on me. And you gon' quit the debating on me. Can't make them believe the fake is on me. Put the rolling down and cop me an AP. We gon' get the money, you know it's the routine. Got the same started fire, can't roll with a new team. At the par, yeah. Hopping out the double R, yeah. At the par, yeah. You know I had to up the charge, yeah. Straight cash on me right now. I can swipe, got a couple cards. Got the gang with me right now. Just in case you tough guys tryna act hard. Got the gang with me right now. I'm the leader of my team, yeah, I'm that focused. Yeah, I'm all about the Benjamin, Ice Cube and Mike, you can film this shit. I been the boss, I was never the middleman. I move around like the kid that's on Ritalin. Broke ass, loud ass nigga, I'm sick of him. Trash, get rid of him. Niggas better take a second thought. You don't want this war, better make you a plan B. Keep the gun and I was the other part. Keep it on John Saul, gotta feed my fam. Running with my niggas and you know we going ham. Make the 20 in a week, we ain't serving no gram. Oh shit, goddamn. Us some hunchos in that condo, stacking some bands. Changing the climax with my nigga wrist. Diamonds they shining, they blinding your bitch. You gon' do it for a pit, you gon' do it for the gram. Yeah, we out here getting rich, turn up hundreds to Spain. Fly nigga talk my shit, sunshine from the land. I don't know what you don't get, nigga know that I'm the man.
Hey, Bubba. My beautiful wife, y'all. I gotta use this video. That was the video you was just saying. You got back in it. Not bad. Yeah, that's nice, right? Custom car. Custom car.
Make sure you get up here to claim your door prizes.
You ain't get the tickets yet, man. Oh, he put the glass around here. I got to.
That's what I was. That's the one.
I know. He riding, you know? You heard that word? Jeez.
Is that one continuous video?
Yeah.
No.
I did that call.
Oh, okay, but I thought it was continuous from the beginning.
Oh, no. I tried to pause them and make it like that.
No, good, cause.
He painted his whole frame up under the car, right?
Mm-hmm. That's why he wanted to see.
Mm-hmm. looking. Old car's clean, honestly. I won't take nothing from them. It's clean. Instead of F-150, it's a 100. It's yours? It's yours? Yes, sir. Nice car, man. You put a lot of time and energy in it, I can tell.
Yeah, a couple of hours.
Well, nothing too much, right? Probably a day or so all together. Couple of boats, knock it out. That's it. That's nice, man.
Very nice.
Thank you.
Shutdown is huge. They could run. It's huge. The shutdown. You can let off at any time.
Model T, 1926.
Where's my peanut thing?
Okay, my wife's getting hungry, y'all. I gotta get her somewhere soon and fast. But look, you got Gator on the seat. You seen the gas tank?
Register your vehicle if you have not done so.
Oh, you put the gas in there.
Minutes.
Wood bad.
Long Island and Cornham. Long Island, that's where we bought it. It wasn't like this. We did a lot of work to it.
That's it, man. Got action. I see some cars.
158.
Got a car on it. Jeez. Seen the old Beetle? Starting your YouTube channel, babe? Yeah? Oh, look at the floors in there, babe. Did you catch the floors? Y'all don't see it. That is clean. That is a clean car. And that one got a Volkswagen engine. This is your first car? This is just part of the SRT4. But it's a neon, you said you had a yellow one, right? Yeah, it's the SRT4. I'm sorry. I edited it out. Nice SRT4. Turbocharged, you see the big old intercooler. There go the Porsche. That's that
it on video for Bobby.
too.
Well, I'm sending all of these straight to Bobby because I know he wanted to see them. He just couldn't come.
Yeah.
He was excited.
The Acura TL drop. Road fenders. Yeah, I see it. Chevy. Chevy power, Chevy power. That's clean.
You're right on that.
I know. Look at the turbo on that thing, babe. That's the turbo. Drag it off. Slicks on the skill. This thing must be crazy on the track. It must be crazy on the track. Thank you for bringing it out, man. What's that? 97 millimeter turbo on there.
Yeah. The orange color. Yeah. And the other Jeep is what's his name?
Pastor Lewis, the blue one.
I know the blue one is blue right there. Huh? They put it in the show? Yeah, they in the show too. You vape, bro? You vape?
Nah.
What phone is that? iPhone?
Yeah.
iPhone what?
13.
Oh,
Wake up in the morning, on my mind it be the money, yeah. And we going hard, work all night until it's sunny. And I keep a big rod, nigga won't take nothing from me. Neck drip on my wrist, yeah, I'm raw with the money. Me ain't worrying about your bad luck, nigga, we broke the bank down. Yeah, they love you when you fucked up, but hate you when you caked out. Crazy. Used to ride in the hoot, these riding race styles. And I feel like Ace from Pay the Full, watch the breakdown. Go MIA, take a trip, private plane style. Ain't that money calling, I can't hear what you're saying now. Niggas talking practice, don't got time to play around. Money in the mattress, ain't no time for laying around. Understand me, had to make some sacrifices to take care of the family. Nigga, they play car 200, eating lobster scampi. Then we hot right on the yacht, and you know she unwrap me like a piece of candy. Ballin' like an athlete, running shit like track meets. You say you bringin' the hard, but I got God to back me. Out the pocket, arms grown like I'm Peyton Manning. My third leg so long, now she call me daddy. Got leg therapeutic, make the play the best to do it. I'm the hardest and the truest. You watched up, ho, what you doing? Blue Benjamins is my influence. Ain't no time for games, come on, Robbie, get into it. Wake up in the morning, on my mind it be the money, yeah. And we going hard, work all night until it's sunny. And I keep a big rod, nigga won't take nothing from me. Neck drip on my wrist, yeah, I'm raw with the money. Me ain't worrying about your bad luck, nigga, we broke the bank down. Yeah, they love you when you fucked up, but hate you when you caked out. Crazy. Used to ride in the hoot, these riding race styles. And I feel like Ace from Pay the Full, watch the breakdown. Remember stacking penny nickel quarters in the car. Penthouse suite, fucker, kick out like Martin. POA that pussy, had to put it in the car. Baby, keep on blowing my line up. She turned into a star. When you speaking of the best, I ain't talking Sean Carr. I'm the king, I'm Rodney. You can't stand behind me. And I keep the sticks in the car, yeah, the mods. All praise to Allah, please don't make me catch a body. Come on. Ain't talking money, then there's no discussion. If you ain't talking about a check, then you ain't talking about nothing. Big baguettes round my neck, them rhinestones you bluffing. Pot full of money like it's church Sunday. Jump up on that E-way, do the dash. With the luggage in the bag. I keep it cool, can't relax. Don't think shit sweet, I keep the mag. On that thing washed up. Blue bitches out the bag. Take it to the laundromat. Nigga having a lot of cash. Nigga grind for the check, can't stop me. Make this shit in real life look like Monopoly. I'ma go and lay head down on Westminster Yard, 2 twins beside me. Yeah, they try to menage me. Super fly like the Red Bull, but I ain't got wings. And we finna take it over, yeah. No, they faking flaws, just making mirages. Step right up in Fifths and I ain't caring what the cost is. Wake up in the morning on my mind, it be the money, yeah. And we going hard, work all night until it's sunny. And I keep a big rod, nigga won't take nothing from me. Big drip on my wrist, yeah, I'm raw with the money. Me ain't worrying about your bad little nigga, we broke the bank down. Yeah, they love you when you fucked up, but hate you when you caked out. Used to ride in a hoop, these riding race now. And I feel like Ace from Pay the Full, watch the breakdown.
They like to speak on my name a lot. Quit your day job and go work at the barbershop. I am the stone at the builder refusal. I hit cornerstone, still wait in that parking lot. I made them 905 plays in that parking lot. No bakery, I make cake in one parking spot. Package the dough, no Pillsbury, I got a lot. Talk to the street so the money came in and I bring up the money while nobody talking. I laughed at me, cracked on me while they salute me. Not doubt about respect in the field like a juvenile. Hot boy, I'm hopping fresh out of the coffee pot. Moving with stakes, bet little homie start flogging. I cut the head off of a snake just to keep a smile. Can't put no trust in a snake, he won't hold it down. Can't put no love to a say they gon' make you drown. Stuck in a tank tryna swim, but ain't no way out. Then I get caught by them shots, they gon' run you down. Then I get caught by them shots, they gon' run you down. Stuck in a tank tryna swim, but ain't no way out. Dog, they stuck in a short tank. Oh Lord, the sun don't shine on my way. You're bright in my path. The struggle match, I pray I find a way. Nobody feel my pain, but I feel better on my own. Don't need no voucher anyway. I see them praying on my dog. They stuck in a short tank. Oh Lord, the sun don't shine on my way. You're bright in my path. The struggle match, I pray I find a way. Nobody feel my pain, but I feel better on my own. Don't need no voucher anyway. Praying on my dark days. I wake up in the morning just to start fights with my demons. I know that I'm winning cause I'll never let them defeat me. Dirty where we living in, but I keep it clean squeaky. I know they plot off the dog, but they tryna deceive me. I cannot slip in the hallways. I done elevated from my dog days. Me and Benjamin would never part ways. Keeping faith in the man above my tape. I done did a few things that I can't change. Like I kept an old bill, it just won't change. Dropping down at 100, I lose change. I remember me broke, I had shit stains. When you get up on a pedestal, they gon' try hard just to level you. If you let them, they'll fuck up your schedule. Very seldom to love when they hate on you. When you get up on a pedestal, they gon' try hard just to level you. If you let them, they'll fuck up your schedule. Very seldom to love when they hate on you. Praying on my dog, they stuck in a short tank. Oh Lord, the sun don't shine on my way. You're bright in my path. The struggle match, I pray I find a way. Nobody feel my pain, but I feel better on my own. Don't need no voucher anyway. I see them praying on my dog, they stuck in a short tank. Oh Lord, the sun don't shine on my way. You're bright in my path. The struggle match, I pray I find a way. Nobody feel my pain, but I feel better on my own. Don't need no voucher anyway. Praying on my dark days. Hey, all my niggas don't go for the cheddar. And I know that the world that I'm living in dirty, so I keep a Glock and Beretta. I'm on top of my business, but you cross the line, then I'm busting your head for the pleasure. Swayze tell me to get him, I got him. You know how I'm rocking this once and forever. Popping out for the gang on whoever. Niggas only make moves cause we let them. We don't play by the rules when we step in. I live like a soldier, I'm gon' die a legend. Been on missions that I never speak on. We get caught up, ain't nobody telling. Porter ran up them bands in a Nissan. Double low, spin your bend in the Lexus. Steppin'. All of my niggas some veterans. Still play them blocks just like Tetris. Still loaded up drugs and still toting a weapon. Still 7 pounds of exotics, you want it, I got it, you get it for 27. Take some losses to get here, I count my blessings. Life a gamble, we playing chess, this ain't checkers. No, woo. I stick to the code so I know the plan. You play with my name or you speak on the game, you get stepped on and crushed like a soda can. Been playing my cards, never show my hand. Been standing my ground, I'm a Florida boy. Quick to pull out the stick like the Florida dance. I been stacking up chips like a poker fan. Count that money all day with a poker face. Talk is cheap in these streets, gotta show them bands. Key 2 sticks with a drum like a marching band. All my dogs on the same type of time I'm on. We got blood on the leaves, gotta rake the grass. You should know if it's hard and it's stuck with me. When the smoke in the air, it's gon' stay there. Hope you practice that shit that you fucking preach. Been a rider since I was in daycare. Counted up 50 bands at 15. Bought the Mac when I turned 21. But since I was 18, had a Glock 23s. We in this bitch 100 deep. Everybody got money, we swimming in paper. Them Ben Franklin's blue like the sea. See no stack by the hundreds, boy, I got a Duffy. You niggas ain't fucking with me. Man, you niggas ain't fucking with Strodo below Pilot G, Lil Turk 40 a him. Can't forget about the niggas that been down since day one. I'm talking about Mark Dougie D. Been no Tizzle, man, Tron, Ricky B. YCKMG till I'm deceased. In the fist as a shorty, I got my hands dirty, but kept my face clean in the streets. So them shooters gon' do it for me, and you know they gon' do it for free. Sheesh. I stick to the code so I know the plan. You play with my name or you speak on the game, you get stepped on and crushed like a soda can. Been playing my cards, never show my hand. Been standing my ground, I'm a Florida boy. Quick to pull out the stick like the Florida dance. I been stacking up chips like a poker fan. Count that money all day with a poker face. Talk is cheap in these streets, gotta show them bands. Keep 2 sticks with a drum like a marching band. All my dogs on the same type of time I'm on. We got blood on the leaves, gotta rake the grass. They got me in here. Join me the beat. You was join right? Yeah. Hey. Yeah. I wanna test drive it. Yeah. Speed around your corners, no brakes. Ooh, I get too excited. Yeah. For your love, it's a speed race. Yeah, yeah. I wanna test drive it. Yeah. Speed around your corners, no brakes. Pay for the ticket, I did the dash on them crackers, I cleared it. All for your love, all for them drugs, I swear I feel it in my spirit. I pop a 10 in the 5, I don't listen to critics, I'm loose off the Henny. I wanna spin a bit Benny on you, I design on my boots so you get to me too. Brought you a breaking bag, you said you got it already, so you want that Prada. I like my women big bone and I like her petite like them Versace models. I like her bougie, but if she classy, I put her in Burberry product. She ain't no runner, but I got her running like track. I put the stick in her back, ayy. I keep the Mac on my lap, ayy. I came up from shooting craps, ayy. Now I can say I keep a rat, ayy. Gave her my heart because she understand it. She say she love me before I was banded. I feel the perky start to do damage. Picked up the pen, oh Peter, I ain't landing. She say my style is very outlandish. I'm just tryna paint your canvas. Hey, yeah, I wanna test drive it. Yeah, speed around your corners, no brakes. Ooh, I get too excited. Yeah, for your love, it's a speed race. Yeah, 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 I wanna test drive it. Yeah, speed around your corners, no brakes. Yeah, yeah, I get too excited. For your love, it's a speed race. For your love, it's a speed race. I see everybody want my place. I see federales on my case. I'ma put them boys off on the chase. The windows tinted on the Rover. I was caught in a traffic jam, baby, hold up. I would do anything for you to get closer, closer. Ooh, you know it's KMG, nigga.
Winning lottery numbers coming up.
Ooh, hey, Nato. Tell them niggas get they dance. Winning lottery numbers coming up. We in here ballin' with the winning lottery numbers, man. Ooh, she know I'm a top dog, rollin' with a star. Let me take you all to Mars. Illegal tits on a double law, so they can't see my face. No, they can't see my bra. Now my diamonds came out to play. I break the bank. Yeah, I spend it in your face. Want my rollie iced out. get that money, yo. I get that bread. I get that money, never call. She know I'm a top dog, rolling with a star. Let me take you all to Mars. Illegal tits on double law, so they can't see my face. No, they can't see my bra. Then my diamonds came out to play. I break the bank. Yeah, I spend it in your face. She know when I step out, it's Reebok. Classic, she go on the top, but I don't talk. Have it, stop with all that faking, cause you flaw. Nigga, you know that you flaw. Stop with all that hating, you ain't ballin'. Nigga, you know you ain't ballin'. I just get that money often. Ooh, I ignore her when she was calling. I'ma just stack up my green, I get to the money you lay. Get the fuck out of my face, I know you gon' hate anyway. Cause you know you like the way a nigga ballin'. When I step out, I can't keep them off me, no. 50s on me and they pink, I'ma spin it on a mink right now. Blow it all in the blink of an eye. She get me top in my ride, yo. She know I'm a top dog, rolling with a star. Let me take you out of Mars. Illegal tits with a double law, so they can't see my face. No, they can't see my bra. Now my diamonds came out to play. I break the bank. Yeah, I spend it in your face.
Hot in the booth. Yiggity. Good fellas. Yeah. Hot shit only. I just left the trap, I had to re. I just caught the weight, I got few key. Don't know you on my block, you pay your fee. Got them all watching like who he. I'm the top dog, I'm off the leash. Ayy, welcome to the belly of the beast. Ayy, I bring you down if you play with me. Ayy, I bring you down if you play with me. Ayy, crush it like dynamos, all of my niggas some animals. Now we ain't like a rope. I clipped up the caliber, so if you riding up, it can go down like Geronimo. Got hella stamina, I'm quick to tiger toe. I bust shit head like a cantaloupe. Sliding the phantom ghost, I'm getting go like I'm Danny Doe. I'm off the radar road. Hard body, so these bitches tryna top me. Kawasaki, all these bitches wanna ride me. Pull up foreign each and all my whips is out it. She gave me sloppy, almost crashed cause I was driving. If it's pressure, come and find me, I ain't hiding. Do that hit all by myself, don't need nobody. Gunpowder smoke thicker than a chalice. Blowing steam, all this smoke got my eye red. Had to separate myself, these niggas violent. I can't trust them, so it's fuck them, gotta watch them. Like I'm chillin' in Jamaica, dog, I'm Harry. Hot tamale, kamikaze, kamehameha. I just left the trap, I had to re. I just caught the weight, I got few key. Don't know you on my block, you pay your fee. Got them all watching like who he. I'm the top dog, I'm off the leash. Ayy, welcome to the belly of the beast. Ayy, I bring you down if you play with me. Ayy, I bring you down if you play with me.
I just left the trap, I had to had to got that work and make it disappear while I just like Houdini. Ayy, cash rules everything around me, cream, my pockets creamy. I'm so icy in these VVs, feel like Gucci, Matt and Jeezy. Ayy, boy, this shit look easy, cause I make this shit look easy. On the beach with your little breezy, with her tits out her bikini. Ayy, she so super freaky, got that wet water Fiji. Beat it up until she sleepy, yeah, them sugar just like Beanie Man. Ayy, I can't lay your bait, money gotta circulate. Strapped up with the AK for a perpetrator. On the Fetty chase, running at a steady pace. Ayy, I got heavy pockets, I feel like a heavyweight. I just had to re. I been on my shit, I been on my feet, seas. I just hit the plug for them Alicia keys. I don't know you in the hood, you get the fuckboy fee.
I just left the trap, I had to re. I just caught the weight, I got few key. Don't know you on my block, you pay your fee. Got them all watching like who he. I'm the top dog, I'm off the leash. Ayy, welcome
Ayy, all my niggas don't go for the cheddar. And I know that the world that I'm living in dirty, so I keep a Glock and Beretta. I'm on top of my business, but you cross the line, then I'm busting your head for the pleasure. Swayze tell me to get him, I got him. You know how I'm rocking this once and forever. Popping out for the gang on whoever. Niggas only make moves cause we let them. We don't play by the rules when we step in. I live like a soldier, I'm gon' die a legend. Been on missions that I never speak on. We get caught up, ain't nobody telling. Porter ran up them bands in a Nissan. Double low, spin your bend in the Lexus. Steppin'. All of my niggas some veterans. Still play them blocks just like Tetris. Still loaded up drugs and still toting a weapon. Still 7 pounds of exotics. You want it, I got it. You get it for 27. Take some losses to get here. I count my blessings. Life a gamble. We playing chess. This ain't checkers. No. Whoa. I stick to the code so I know the
YouTube family. Hope y'all enjoy. Some more updates coming for the Chevy. As you see, we'll sand it down. Told you. I'm at this point right here. Still got a little sanding to do right here. Sand this front clip. Then we're gonna get it in the booth, y'all. But yeah, y'all see it. Ellis Walk coming soon too. I just left my boy. We're gonna snatch a 5.3 out of a Tahoe. I think the Tahoe like a 04. So yeah, we're coming real soon, man. Y'all just stay tuned, keep locked in. Y'all, hopefully y'all enjoy what y'all see, man. Yeah, hope y'all enjoy it. I'm out, man. Peace.